Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 38, class 9th, chapter 8, motion. In this worksheet, we are going to derive the third equation of motion, that is 2as v square minus u square, by using motion or time position relation graphical method. In this you can say u is not 0 from this graph. You can see the initial velocity of an object is at point, because this is the initial velocity, a position is there, and which increases to v. This is the increase. So that velocity change at uniform rate is a. This is the change in velocity by uniform rate a. So what we have to do, draw a perpendicular line BC from point B. This we are going to draw downwards on the x-axis. Here the initial velocity, final velocity and time interval is represented by OA, BC and OC. Initial velocity is OA, then you can say final velocity is BC and time interval is OC. We know that the distance travelled by an object is obtained by the area enclosed by OABC. This is the trapezium. So area of OABC is S is equal to OA plus BC into OC divided by 2. So here OA is U, BC is V and OC is T. By putting this value in this above formula, we get this equation, S is equal to U plus V into T upon 2. From the velocity time graph or U relation first equation of motion, we know that V is equal to U plus AT or T is equal to V minus U. So we will put this value here in place of T. We will get this equation, S is equal to U plus V, V minus U upon 2A, and we get the third equation of motion. Next is uniform circular motion. Is there any situation where speed of an object in motion remains constant but it still accelerate? कोई ऐसा एग्जाम्पल जिसमें जो है स्पीड तो कांस्टेंट रहती है लेकिन जो है ऑब्जेक्ट फिर भी अपनी जगह चेंज करता रहता है. इट हैपन्स व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट अंडरगो यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. इफ यू मूव ए स्टोन टाइड टू ए थ्रेड अलोंग ए सर्कुलर पाथ व्हाइल बीइंग स्टेशनरी एट ए पॉइंट, इट में स्पीड में रिमेन कांस्टेंट बट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन विल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. एट एवरी पॉइंट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन इज चेंजिंग. So this is uniform circular motion. So when an object moves with a constant speed in a circular path, then motion is called uniform circular motion. An athlete running on a circular track, a satellite revolving around the earth are the examples. The formula which we can use, the radius of a circle r and time taken to complete one lap t, and if it denotes the velocity of the object, then v is equal to 2 pi r upon t. So this is the important formula. Now the question answers we can see. Write first equation and third equation. V is equal to U plus AT and third is V square equal to U square plus 2AS, or you can write 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. Second, you can derive the equation from the worksheet itself. Third, give 3 examples. Motion of an artificial satellite orbiting the earth. Then a stone is tied to a rope and is being swung in circle, and a car turning through a curve in road. These are the 3 examples. Fourth question, find the speed of an athlete who complete one lap of a circular track with radius 100 meter in 1 minute. So R given 100, formula 2 pi R. So 2 pi R will give you 6 to 8.57 meter. Speed is equal to distance. So distance traveled will be 6 to 8.57. Time taken 1 minute. We convert it into second. The answer will be 10.47 meters per second. So hope you understand worksheet. Thanks for watching.